Welcome to today's math activity. Today what I'm going to do is show you some features in Google Slides that will help make solving some of these problems a lot easier. So if we use number 1 as an example, and you're trying to find what the missing number is to get to 10 from 7, you're going to scroll down to your number line on the next slide, and there's a little tool up here that allows you to draw lines or even to scribble. So you're going to click on that curly line, and our problem asked us 7 plus what number brings us to 10. So you're going to go to your number line and you're going to find 7. And with that scribble tool, you're going to count all the way up to 10 to see how far it goes. So 1, okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3 jumps. Okay, 3 jumps gets you to 10. What you will do next is just click on it, and you can press backspace so that it's not there. And then you're going to type into this text box, and you're going to type the answer that you got, which was 3. Okay, as you can see, it takes a little bit of figuring things out. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Good luck today.